Okay, so I was gonna do a cleaning video on this, but it apparently didn't record. But since I'm still working on it, I haven't cleaned out the hose and stuff. I didn't recognize that the video stopped. The high regular. We do have a bag, it's right there. But yeah, it also has these attachments. It's missing that one and the turbo brush tool, but I don't have those, or if I did, I would have put it on. This is a hoover. We wanted to see the model number. So yeah, let's get started. So what you're going to want to start off by doing is you're going to want to grab your machine, take it all apart. Not all the way though, because it will break. I already got the filters cleaned out. I'm so sorry guys, but didn't recognize it stopped. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to disassemble the hose. So go to the back of your machine, twist it to the left, pops right out. Same with right there. Kind of swing it to check for clogs. And then set your hose down. Go to your leaf blower or air compressor. Just set you guys down for a sec. Done that, I'll show you how to reassemble your hoover. So you're going to start off by grabbing your filters. So first, this very long filter goes here. You just put it in, like so. It's sometimes easier if you just kind of put it on. And there, that's done now. What you're going to want to do is grab your other filter, where did it go? Seriously, it blew way farther. Oh, found it. So, it's the filter there. It goes in here, like so. Then, this here, clip on, like so. Then, you're going to want to grab your bag. If it needs a replacement, check, uses the type Y. This hole here goes in there. So, there's that. Then, grab your hoover bag cover door. So, that thing there is this here. Just put it in, line them up, and punch it. So as you can see, it's missing its turbo tool. Kind of bugs me, but since it's not mine, I don't really care. And then we have the hose. So, to put the hose in, go to the back of the machine. These two tabs, you just put it in here, and you will then twist it. And then you do that. We have the two extension ones. We have the crevice tool, and we have the dust brush. And no, this is not compatible with Bissell, so if you're looking for a part and you can't find it and this looks close to it, don't get it. So the wands just go in like so. Skinny end at the bottom. And then the crevice tool. And then this is the self-propelled. It should be able to go up and down. And then to wrap up your machine, it's as easy as grabbing your cord and going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, until you have repetitively done it to where you can't anymore. If you still have the original plug, there should be a clip there that basically is hugging the other piece of the cord, and then it clicks, and your Hoover is now officially reassembled, ready to go. This is a Hoover patent wind tunnel. So what we're gonna do before we put it in storage is we're gonna put it down. As you can see, there's some cobwebs. Has very interesting height adjustment wheels. And it says, warning, brush roll can start suddenly. Unplug vacuum cleaner when turned over. Okay. Now we're going to repeat the process of the leaf blower or whatever. So let's start it. Oops. You don't have to use a gas-powered one. To unclog your vacuum cleaner, what you're going to want to do is you take these screws off. Pops right off. You can also check the dry belt. I know it's fine, so I'm not going to do anything with it. But with the hair, all you need to do is just pull it out like so until you get all of it out. You can also use scissors. So, yeah. By the way, let me know on my community page on my channel if you have any suggestions for what I should do in my next video, because I am absolutely blank. So whenever I feel like I want to record, I record. I'd rather post it the day I record or another day. Thank you guys so much for the 100 subscribers. And yeah, so gonna finish this off camera. So that was the vacuum cleaner. So hook up your machine. And as you can see, that tool is missing, along with the turbo tool, but whatever. It's mainly used in the basement, so not like it matters to me. So your vacuum cleaner is officially reassembled. And with the leaf blower, you could just put it away. That simple. Let me know if I should do more videos like that. And I did post one on cleaning this Power Force Helix 2191 and I made it shiny in there. So, and then my next video is going to be on this Hoover. It's not my grandparents, like the Bissell and the other Hoover, but it's my aunt's, so I'm going to be cleaning it. That doesn't work, but I'm going to be blowing it out so I can take it inside. Hope you guys have a great... Oh my gosh, my bad. Hope you guys have a great afternoon or morning or day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.